Welcome to Latin Per Diem. This episode begins a series on Augustine of Hippo from the Confessions, Book 2, Section 4. Fortum certe punit lex tua, Domine, et lex scripta, in cordibus hominum, quam ne ipsa quidem delet iniquitas, quis enim fur aequo animo furem potitur. Fortum, or theft, is neuter, singular, and accusative. It's the object of punit. This verb punit is from punio, punire, which is a common fourth conjugation verb. The subject is lex tua. Your law, Domine, O Lord, punishes theft, fortum, and it does so of a surety, certe, certainly. Your law punishes theft, O Lord, and lex scripta, your law, tua is implicit here, scripta, and perhaps we want to provide est as well. Your law has been written on the hearts of men. Cordibus, neuter, plural, ablative, with the preposition in describing the place where, and hominum, masculine, plural, genitive of possession, men's hearts. Augustine continues with this relative clause. Most relative clauses begin with a relative pronoun and conclude with a finite verb. This one is a little different inasmuch as the subject, iniquitas, is actually placed after the verb, delet. This is not too unusual, but it does create a sense of suspense. Suspense first introduced by ipsa, which is feminine singular nominative, and we know it's going to be modifying something, and then our expectation is met when Augustine gives us iniquitas in the same gender number and case. Now, what is the antecedent of quam? It is lex, and these, of course, are both feminine and singular, but whereas lex is nominative, because it is the subject of its clause, quam is accusative, because it is the subject of its verb, namely, as I've said, delet. This law, written on the hearts of men, is one which, ne ipsa quidem iniquitas, not even wickedness itself, ipsa iniquitas. Iniquitas means iniquity or wickedness. It's the negative prefix in, and the adjective aequus, which means equal or fair or just. That is, it's the noun formed off of this combination. And let's take a look at how ne quidem works. Ne and quidem are correlatives that always work in tandem like this. And the thing that is placed in between ne and quidem is that which is given emphasis. So ne ipsa quidem, not even the very thing, the very iniquity or wickedness, not even that can, we might say for delet, we might say erase or efface the law. Erase would be a good translation for delet because Augustine has previously told us that it is scripta. It's written on the hearts of men. Augustine concludes, enim, for what thief, quis fur, suffers potitur, another thief. Here we have subject, we have the verb, and we have the object. Subject, object, verb, the standard word order. And in between, we have an ablative of manner, aequo animo, with a calm mind. Notice how Augustine connects iniquitas and aequo, because they share an etymology. Please join us next time.